Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now by cutting power and removing the pack. Do not wait. Once the pack is out, use a Phillips #00 and a plastic spudger to open the case where screws and clips hide. You want to keep parts organized, so lay screws in order and photograph each step. Make sure to observe polarity markings on the pack. After opening, inspect for corrosion, swollen cells, or broken tabs. This tells you whether to repair cells or replace the entire module. Once done opening the pack, test voltage across terminals and compare each cell so you know which ones fail. If a cell reads low, you will desolder it and install a matching replacement, same chemistry and capacity, to maintain balance. Make sure to use quick, controlled solder joints and avoid overheating the plastic housing or circuit traces. After swapping cells, double-check polarity and continuity. This prevents shorts and ensures the pack will charge normally once reassembled. You now reassemble carefully, making sure wires sit clear and screws go back to their original spots. Once sealed, charge the pack fully and test it in the controller to verify runtime and charging behavior. If the controller still shows problems, inspect the battery management board and connector pins for damage or corrosion. When troubleshooting, swap in a known good pack or use the multimeter to verify charging current. If the BMS fails, replace the board or the entire pack to restore safe, reliable operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.